Did you know that Charles Dickens' father was sent to a debtor's prison? He wasn't able to manage his finances, and he also worked as a glove maker. So this can show the links to poverty that Dickens explores in his novella. It also shows that he was trying to reform and change society because he experienced poverty and he wants the reader to feel his pain and suffering so they too can make a contribution to society. Dickens had an interest in social reformation. He wanted to change and empower the lives of others. He's written a lot of articles that express his discontent at the conditions of the workhouses. In A Christmas Carol, he makes references to these workhouses and the conditions of those who are suffering in society, because this was a calling that he tried to answer and he tried to change within society. So Dickens was a man who wants to change and empower society, to change the thinking, the beliefs of those who are influential in society, those who may be like Scrooge. His story is a direct inspiration based on his own experiences of life.